welcome back to Food Prep Guide. We have just a quick announcement video for you today. The Mix in Jars cookbook is here. It is officially available. The link will be down in the description box. If you are brand new here and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm talking about recipes where we make up mixes in jars. It is a form of meal prep. For instance, this is a cinnamon roll in a jar. We have barbecue sauce in a jar where we have just add a few liquid ingredients and you're ready to go. We have white pepper gravy in a jar. We have side dishes, desserts, breakfast. We have soups. This is a chicken noodle soup in a jar. So basically we are meal prepping our ingredients in a jar so that when the time comes we can simply add a few liquid ingredients and meals are ready that much faster. Okay, so the book will be available in both print and digital format. These are literally hot off the press, so I don't have a physical copy in my possession at the moment. It is due in tomorrow, but it will be spiral bound just like our Meals in Jars cookbook, which means it is lay flat. Lay flat on your counter, fold backwards. That's the beauty of being spiral bound. It is also available in digital ebook for those of you international. You can save on the cost of shipping, or if you just want to be able to print recipes as you want to make them, that will be available as well. So I have a few sample pages here to show you. If you are familiar with our Meals in Jars cookbook, this format will look very familiar to you, but we have the recipe on one page. This is our baking mix. You will see, everything that you need to know, including a little tip for each recipe, just like our previous cookbook. And then on the other side will be how to use it. Now that was our master baking mix, which means we have several master mixes in this cookbook, which means that one mix can be turned into many things. So here we have 3 different ways to use that one baking mix, and it will be laid out just like this in your spiral bound notebooks, where that the mix and the recipes are right there next to each other. Okay, and then I wanted to show you the bonus that we are sending or giving with this cookbook. If you are friends of the channel, you know that every time we launch a new product, it is the lowest price it will ever be for 1 week only. So that is still true. Today is Sunday, the 26th. And so from now until next Sunday, it will be the lowest price it will ever be. But we did a special bonus with this one. And it is Christmas gift tags. Look at these, look how cute they are. So these, if you have never done homemade presents, or maybe you've never done meal prep mason jar presents, people love them. I have done mason jar presents for a couple of years now, and these little tags just make them super cute. So they have all of the instructions that your gift recipient needs printed right on the jar, so they can see, okay, I just need to dump this in a bowl, add these ingredients, and the instructions are right there. So what you're going to do is loop a piece of twine here. I usually use burlap or twine, or you can use like a festive red or green ribbon with some glitter on it or something. Tie it through there and you have a very cute little rustic farmhouse kind of feel Christmas gift. So those are free for 1 week only, and then they will go to being a paid product in the store, but you will get them for free for 1 week only when you purchase the cookbook this week. So like I said, the description is down in the description box, or the link is in the description box below. If you have trouble accessing it on your device, go ahead and comment cookbook in the comments and I will send you the link directly. That's all for today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.